Okay.
All right, Red, so you go to the end first, Red. You make a cut, you back it up a little bit more, back it up a little bit more, back it up a little bit more, back it up a little bit more. You keep going like this as you go further back. That's how you get a clean cut. Once you're in solid, your walls are nice and sharp, you can go back and do the same thing with a little deeper cut. I'm not gonna do that just yet, but basically go down here until you bottom out. I'm actually already close to my depth stop. You just do that. So like I was saying, you start at this end over here, the end furthest away from you, and then you take a little cut, 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 and as you're going back, once you hit your depth stop, then you're not cutting down here anymore. You keep cutting, 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 until you make a full pass where the depth stop's actually not cutting anything. You start back here only, you have a better chance of tearing the walls inside of the plowed groove. Now that I've already got the top established, it doesn't really matter anymore. Because at this point, the part that has to be nice and smooth and clean and sharp has already been cut with a lighter cut. So you'll start off with a really super light cut at the very top. And as you go deeper, you can actually increase your depth of cut and it won't hurt anything because your shoulders are already sharp at the very top. You notice I'm not taking a very thick shaving here. It's making a nice, smooth, pleasing sound. The iron has to be razor sharp like this one is. As you can see there, just patience, working back and forth. And if you want to get down in here where you can see how sharp that line is. Very, very, very sharp line on that groove. And it's perfectly vertical because of the fence. Get this one real quick. If you'll notice on this is a rapier. It was manufactured by Record. I have a East Indian rosewood fence on it. It's a nice hard-wearing fence. And what that does is it actually helps glide across the edge of the wood. So if you can put a fence attachment on, do that. It helps it glide a little better. You can also put wax on here and on here and on here, just to kind of make sure it glides a little easier. But the real key is start at this end of the board and work your way back, and then make your final cuts are full length. That way you get a nice sharp shoulder each side, and make sure your iron is really, really sharp. As sharp as you can possibly get it. If it's not a mirror, you probably need to sharpen it a little bit more. Plows have to be razor sharp. If they're not, they'll cause you more trouble than they're worth. If you have any other questions, just let me know, okay?